Hey guys, wanna know how to change your Discord profile picture? Let me show you how easy it is. So follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's begin. First off, open Discord on your phone device and now you'll land on your DMs page. Now from there, go to your accounts page by clicking on your accounts icon at the bottom right. Now when there, just click on the edit profile option with the pencil icon. Now when here, look on your profile picture and click on the pencil icon again. From here, click on the upload image, and now this action will open your phone's gallery. Now choose the photo that you want to use for your new profile picture, for example this one. And now after, for example, I don't know, turning the image, you can simply tap choose at the bottom right, and that's pretty much it. Now click save at the top right to save the changes, and again, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.